I ordered some garlic, seed garlic from MIgardener. Let's see what we have in the pack. Let's see what this is before I show y'all. Show my address. Okay. They sent you some a guide to planting, I guess, the garlic. I guess that's what it is. Planting flowering bugs, allium shell, because garlic is an allium. So they just sent you some instructions on that. His card. I like his card. I might do me something like these for my business. I like them. So let's see what's in the box. How it comes packaged. So they all come individual packs in these little paper bags. Earlier, and they have a name on them. You can see that. That's early Italian soft neck. Got some soft neck and hard neck. That's soft neck. This is, I don't know, Enchilium red. Soft neck. I think I got one hard neck. Oh no, I got all soft neck. And this is red too. Let's see what they look like inside. Size of the heads. I just normally get my garlic from the grocery store. They ain't no bigger than the ones at the grocery store. So you get 2 in each bag. Oh, it's a nice size. These look like the ones I get at the grocery store with a little bit of purple in them. I did save a few of my clothes that I planted last year that I got, well, this year. Well, this year was planted last year, but they harvested this year. And I got them in the refrigerator. So that's what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to go ahead and peel them. Not today, but I'm going to peel them, get the bigger ones out, because like you can see, that one is a big old clove, and the big ones make the larger heads of garlic. So I want to make sure that I'm getting the best ones. Hopefully we don't have a freeze again like we had last year and the year before, and I lost my garlic. So I got 3 bags. Again, I got the, let's see the name of them, Enchilium red, soft neck, early Italian soft neck, and red touche soft neck. And I'm reading off the paper here that I got. So that is it for my seed garlic haul. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.